In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off active status on Slack. If you want a little more privacy while you work, or you simply don't want others to see you as currently active, Slack gives you a quick way to appear away. This is useful when you need uninterrupted focus time, when you're stepping away from your desk, or when you just prefer not to broadcast your availability in real time. To get started, open Slack and look toward the lower left corner of the app. You'll find your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This opens the menu where Slack lets you manage your presence and account-related options. If you've never used this menu before, it's a handy place to remember because it also controls how you appear to other people in your workspace. Once that menu is open, look for the option that says Set Yourself as Away and click it. As soon as you do that, Slack changes your status from active to away. That means your green active indicator will no longer show in the same way, and other people in the workspace will see that you're not currently available. This is the fastest way to effectively turn off your active status in Slack without changing anything more complicated in your settings. It's simple, immediate, and easy to reverse later whenever you want to appear active again. If you decide to come back and show that you're available, you can return to the same profile menu and update your status from there. One important thing to keep in mind is that setting yourself as away affects how your presence appears to others, but it doesn't stop messages from coming in. People can still send you direct messages, mention you in channels, and continue conversations as usual. So, if your goal is to reduce interruptions completely, you may also want to combine this with notifications settings or do not disturb, depending on how much separation you need. But if your main goal is just to stop showing as active, this quick profile change is all you need. It only takes a few seconds and can make a big difference when you want more control over your visibility in Slack. And that's it. You now know how to turn off active status on Slack by setting yourself as away through your profile menu.